Alright, let's moving on to the final example of this chapter of the ERO. Okay, so I will recommend for you to try this question by yourself, but it's quite a little bit difficult on the last steps, but still okay. Okay, in this case they want you to find the B inverse, but they did not state it in which way you can find, so you can technically use by the other methods. But right now let's try by ERO. Okay, the first step that you need to do is, of course, boom, change it to augmented form. Okay, so let's begin. For viewers that would like to try by yourself, please do. Okay, firstly we want to make this one into 1, but how? Well, you can use the minus from 1 attack that, but hey, if you see 1 already over here, why don't we do the exchanging rows technique? This is from row 1, this is from row 2. Why don't we just exchange them? So you just exchange them, and row 1 I am exchanging with row 2. Okay, for viewers, sorry, I'm going to go a bit fast on this video because this is the final one and this is no longer an introduction video. Okay, so I'm exchanging row 1 with row 2. -2, -3, 1, 0, 0, 1. So if you would like to understand this video, please watch the videos before this. Okay. Okay, so we managed to get this 1 into 1, so good. Now we're trying to make this 2 and -2 into zeros. How? Well, this time we're going to use 1 attacking them. So let's begin. So well, it's still okay. Where did I get this 2? So these 2 I'm gonna attack, make it into 0. So these 2, what attacked it is 1 attacking it. Where did I get this 2 from? I got it from row 2. Where do I get the 1 from? I got it from row 1. So what happened is, how do I get 2 and 1 into 0? How do they interact for me to get into 0? So I just minus 2 times over here. So minus 2 times. So the rest of the numbers from the row 2 is -4, 3, 1, 0, 0. The number above it, the attacking it, the row that attacking it, 2, -1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so what happened? The same process, -2 times, -2 times, -2 times, -2 times, -2 times. Well, should write down times? It depends. Oopsie, this then I'm just writing down. So I would recommend you write it over here to reduce careless mistake chances. 2 times 0, -2 times 1, -2, -2 times 0, 0. -4 minus 4, -8, 3 plus 2, 5, 1, 0, 3 minus 1, 0 minus 2, minus 2, 1, 0, 0. Okay, so this one you rewrite it back for your new row 2. So your row 1 remain as it is. 1, 2, I think it's positive 1 here. -1, 0, 1, 0. Your new row 2. 0, -8, 5, 1, 5, 1, -2, 0. Okay, so you can continue from here, but you can write down the same row 3 again. But as I was mentioning just now, you want to make it into 0 as well. So hey, why not you do it in the same go? So it save your time. So -2, what attacking it is 1. Okay, so where did I get this -2 from? I got it from row 3. Where did I get this 1 from? I got it from row 1. Okay, so what happens? How does -2 and 1 I get 0? I plus 2 times. Sorry about it. Plus 2 times. So plus 2 times with row 1. So -2 plus 2. -2 plus 2, I got 0. So what the rest number from row 3 is -3, 1, 0, 0, 1. Rest number from row 1 is 2, -1, 0, 1, 0. So now let's continue the process. So -3 plus 2 times plus 2 times, plus 2 times, plus 2 times, plus 2 times. So plus 2 times 2 plus 4, plus 2 times negative 1, negative 2, 2 times 0, 0, plus 2 times 1, plus 2, plus 2 times 0, remain as 0. So negative 4 plus negative 3 plus 4, 1. Be very careful here. 1 minus 2, negative 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 1 plus 0, 1. So copy this one back. So you got yourself 0, 1, negative 1, 0, 2, 1. Oh. Okay, that's good. It's quite tough, I mean quite tiring. Okay, the next step you would like to do is that you would like to make this ones becomes 1 into 1. How do we do that? Well, you can make this one attacking that, or as you see here, hey, this is already 1, why don't I just exchange these two? So row 2 and row 3, I'm just exchanging them. This is a bit advanced because we haven't done exchanging in the second phase, second column before. But you can see here is the one that I can exchange, and this is 0, so 0 attacking 0, nothing changed as well, so it's a little bit advanced. So yeah, row 3 times row 2, I'm exchanging with row 3. So I can get myself the new one. 1, 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, negative 1, 0, 2, 1, and 0, negative 8, 5, 1, negative 2, 0. Okay, so that's your new row 3 and row 2. Okay, so this one here is already become 1. So what's the next step you're trying to do is you're trying to make this negative 8, this 2 and negative 8 into 0. Okay, so how are we going to get this 2 and negative 8 into 0? So we're using this one to attacking both of them. Yeah, this is a bit long calculation here, but the techniques are all the same. Okay, so let's continue. I think I want to write down over here more space for us. So how does this 2, yeah, normally I write down over here, right? Just go. How does this 2 become 0? What attacking? 1 is attacking it. Okay, how do I make it into 0? Where do I get this 2 from? This 2 I get it from row 1. Where do I get this 1 from? I get it from row 2. Okay, so how do I get 2 and 1 interact? I got 0. I basically minus 2 times. Okay, so minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0. Done. So what's the rest of the number? Negative 1, 0, 1, 0. What's the rest number from row 2? Negative 1, 0, 2, 1. Be careful in doing this topic, this subtopic. So what happened in between? Negative 2 times, negative 2 times, negative 2 times, negative 2 times. Okay, so negative 2 times negative 1, positive 2. Negative 2 times 0 remain as 0. Negative 2 times 2, negative 4, negative 2 times 1, negative 2. So alhamdulillah. So negative 1 plus 2, I got myself into 1. 0 minus 0, 0. 1, negative 4, negative 3. 0, negative 2, negative 2. Okay, so let's rewrite those. So I got myself 1, 2, negative 1. Sorry, I think I copied it wrongly, because I'm changing new row 1. So this 1 remain as it is because 0 attacking it, nothing happens. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, negative 3, 2. Row 2, is there anything happen? No, we don't do anything on row 2 besides row 2 is the one attacking others. So 0, 1, negative 1, 0 to 1. Okay, so now let's do for row 3. Let's begin. So row 3 here is negative 8. I was wondering, let's just rewrite somewhere new. Things are getting harder as well for me. So what's attacking it? 1 attacking it. So where does this negative 8 come from? This negative 8, I got it from row 3. Where does the 1 come from? I got it from row 2. Equals to 0. Okay, so how does negative 8 and 1 interact for me to get 0? Before I go further, let me thank you. I make one small mistake. This is negative 2. It should be negative there. Okay, sorry about it. Okay, so negative 8 and 1, how do I interact for me to get 0? I plus 8 times here. So what's the rest of the number? Let's go a bit. Negative 8 plus 8 is 0. What's the rest of the number from here, from row 3? It's 5, 1, negative 2, 0. What's the rest number from, oh my goodness, from row 2? Yeah, that's still correct. Row 2. Row 2 is negative 1, 0 to 1. Okay, so what happened in between? I plus 8 and I times, plus 8 and times, plus 8 and times, 8 and times. Okay, so let's continue. 8 times negative 1, negative 8, 0, 8 times 2, 16, plus 16, 8 times 1, plus 8. So 5 minus 8, minus 3, 1 plus 0, 1, negative 2 plus 16, plus 14, 0 plus 8, plus 8. Okay, so copy this one back. This 0 remains as 0 just now because nothing happened over there. 0, 0, negative 3. Yeah, it's quite tiring in this topic. You just need to be careful. Even if you're careful, sometimes you might still make mistakes. That's how I did. Okay, so let's continue. So we have reached what we would like to reach. This one become 1. Good. This one becomes 0. This one becomes 0. That's what we would like to achieve just now. And what we would like to do next, we would like to make this one into 1. How? Well, the thing is that we cannot use this one to attack it. We cannot use it, because if we were to attack it, then this one will interact with 0 and it won't become 0 anymore. Same for this one. If I were to attack here, I cannot do it, because if I were to do it, then this one will attack here, then it will not become 0 as well, because we want to remain these two as 0. So the only way for you to go is to divide. So negative 3, I'm taking this whole row. Negative 3, 1, 14, 8. I'm gonna divide by 3. It's the same as multiply, or in this case I would like to say that row 3 I times with 1 over 3. And now this is where the mess comes in. 1, 0, 1, 0, negative 3. The number above it remains as the same, but the row 3 times negative 3. Let me put red. Negative 1 over 3. So negative 3 times 1 over 3, I got 1. Okay? But 1 times negative 1 over 3, I got myself to negative 1 over 3. 14, negative 14 over 3. And 8, negative 8 over 3. If an exam question come out in this way, they're being very sadistic with you. And yeah, sometimes I've seen the question this sadistic as well. Not a pretty answers, but that's the answers. Now you like to make these two into 0. How? You use this one to attack them. This is very messy work, so I'm just going to be write down a little bit for you. So let's say this one, what attacking it, this one. Where do you get this one from? I got it from row 1. Where this one come from? I got it from row 3. I'm gonna write a bit for you. It's really messy, this one. So minus 1 equals to 0. So just minus. So the rest of the numbers of here, 0, -3, -2. The rest of the numbers from row 3 is -1/3. I know you might say, hey, this is crazy. I think that's life as well. Life is crazy. I'm gonna go a bit crazy over here. Just for us to laugh. Okay, this one I got myself as plus. Let's just here plus. Pretty much explanatory over there. 0 plus 1/3, 1/3. And yeah, you may use your calculator. And this one, I'm just looking at the answers I have besides me. Yes, I know I'm cheating, but yeah, it's a good side of becoming a teacher. Oh, that's crazy. So 1, 0. This 1 becomes 0. 1/3, 5/3, 2/3. Can you do this by yourself? I'll be honest, if I am a student, if I'm in exams, if I were to see this kind of answer, I'll be a bit shocked. Okay, you need to apply the same thing as well for row 2. So row 2, -1, attacking is 1. I want to make it into 0. Where do you get this -1 from? You got it from row 2. Where do you get this one from? I got it from row 3. So I plus them up. What's the rest of the numbers from row 2? 0 to 1. The rest number from row 3. Oh my goodness. -1/3, -14/3, -8/3. Yeah, just take your calculator and press them carefully. Good luck with your life. I'm going a bit informal over here. I know I've been saying that I want to go faster and faster, but in the end, ultimately, these topics, you just can't go fast. Okay, especially when the numbers are this crazy. Let me calculate a little bit. Yeah, it's not that difficult though, but just annoyingly crazy. So 0, 1, 0, and the new number here 0, and this one -1/3, -8/3. Wow, -5/3. You might be second guessing whether if in exams you got it right. Okay, the row 3 remain as it is. 0, 0, 1, -1/3, -14/3, -8/3. Okay, so we have achieved what we would like to achieve. That we got this one into 1, 1, 1. And the rest of the numbers we got ourselves 0. You get the idea. And what do we mean? What do we get on the right side? Is the inverse. Inverse matrix. Inverse of what? Well, back to the questions. You would like to find the given B, find the B inverse. So this is inverse of B. Remember, in exams, you can't leave your answer that way. You need to write it down this way. So B inverse is 1/3, 5/3, 2/3. Yeah, hopefully you guys are still alive by this moment here. And if I'm a word of advice, be very careful, do very slow, don't go too fast, don't be too overconfident on this ERO thing. It's not entirely difficult, it's just something new that you haven't learned in school. It's just a little bit of being details. Okay, good luck and thank you for watching. If you are watching this in YouTube, please comment, share, like and subscribe. Yeah, you can search me in YouTube as the Rodhi Rejab. Okay. can add the maths matriculation. You will see the whole lot of playlists over there. Thank you for watching.